Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. We want to take a look at the latest development on the Bitcoin chart. My view is unchanged that we still haven't bottomed for Bitcoin. Now it is technically possible that we have bottomed and that we have already seen the bear market low, but I cannot confirm it at this stage, and therefore we just need to be careful with Bitcoin. At the moment, the chart, the way the chart is developing, the way the chart has developed, the way it's sliding down, just suggests to me that we don't have yet the overall bear market low in place. Now again, it could be in place, but then again, it's always the same comment I make. If I have a chart like Ethereum, maybe like Aave, like Metis, like Quant, like Matic, the charts that give me more confidence, that develop a clearer pattern, an ideal pattern, an ideal Elliott Wave impulse pattern, or something similar at least, then I would rather focus on these in terms of trading, investing at the moment, or swing trading, whatever. And I would just observe Bitcoin, because Bitcoin at the moment is quite unclear. There are, just if you watch different TAs on YouTube or whatever, wherever you watch different TAs about Bitcoin at the moment, it's fairly unclear, and the opinions are very, very diverse. And it's just for every investor or trader, I would just sort of say, just take that in, understand there are so many different opinions, and just understand that there is a lot of uncertainty still. I mean, because also the Elliott Wave patterns with Bitcoin at the moment, they just reflect the uncertainty in the market. You have so many different possibilities of counting this, and maybe this evening or tomorrow I've got a bit more time, I can take you through the different wave patterns that are possible. And in one of them we even go all the way up to roughly, let's say, here there was one in which we could go up to 25k and then come down. I showed you that in a previous video. I didn't show you the entire pattern, but I told you that we could now move up in 5 waves, and break the previous high, and I'll talk about that when we zoom in. But it would still be a corrective move up. It would not mean that we're necessarily in the breakout pattern. Now this could develop to a breakout pattern, but really only the chart will flip to a degree bullish if we get above 22.1k and above 25k. This is here, the wave Y high, or 25.2k to be exact. Only then really we can become much more convinced, and especially if the price is holding that, if the chart is holding that price. But until then, my focus is further on the downside. Since we made here a WXY pattern on the, I think it was the 14th of August when we completed that in a wave 4, I told you we'll probably come down in a wave 5. That's been the agenda now for many weeks. We have made sort of lower lows. Now the last low here was not a lower low. That's a shame really, because that last bit here, a week ago, a couple of weeks ago, the fact that we haven't made a lower low there just makes it challenging again. Would have been nice to just count one more lower low, and then we could be a bit more optimistic now, because I think Bitcoin needs another low, or at least it would be likely. It doesn't need one, it would be likely. But from the high here I count 5 waves down, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're now in the 5th wave down. And at the moment I assume we are still in the 5th wave. Now it could be something else. It could be the wave 4 is extending. There's different possibilities. But if we say that, oops, didn't want to do that. Let me just go back. If we say that, a wave 4, so a wave 4 was in here. We then come down in a wave 5 now, and this wave 5 is basically consisting of an A wave here, a wave B to the upside, and then a C wave down. Then this is what I think we are doing at the moment. The C wave down, that would be a 5 wave move down. However, this could also be, again, something different, and the prices will now tell us probably what's going to happen. So if now in the move down we are going to hold this orange support area, so I think we have a pattern here near enough complete. This could be WXY, could also be a 5 wave move up, and therefore it's important now to see how the price is going to react to that support level here. So there's a support range between 19,125 and 19,430 roughly. If this area is holding, then this would tell me that we probably had here a wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2 down, and then we can break in the next step that high at around, where are we, 19,950. Okay, but we need to hold that support area for that. Now if we go through that support area, then my view is that this pattern that I have on the chart actually is working out, that we had a wave 1 down here, that this was just a wave B high because it was a 3-wave structure to the upside, that we can count 5 waves down, which we can, so it is likely this was actually an impulse down in a wave 1. We're now moving up in a WXY and then come down in a wave 3. But really only if we break below that 19,100 and let's say $25 level. So at the moment we're still moving sideways here, still sort of in a range. And I think we are near enough complete to the upside here. I think there will be a move down. The point is just how strong will it be? Will it hold this support level or will it go through? And if it goes through, then I think this could be the C wave down that can take us finally to lower lows. So it's very interesting here. I think the next few hours possibly will already tell us more. Yeah, so it's a bit unclear here, Bitcoin. We need to keep an open mind. I think that will go on for a while, to be honest. And yeah, let's see. Yeah, hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.